There have been radical shifts in the qualitative research industry over the last couple of years. The most important is that nowadays, pretty much every human on the planet is carrying around in their pocket a mobile camcorder. It's allowed researchers to really get out of the room and go into people's homes, go into people's places of work, go into their commutes, their shopping experience, and really capture some interesting angles and elements of how people live their lives. But it's not just the tools, it's also how they're used. It's really important to have smart methodology design, well put together exercises, and a proper cadence that people can follow to really maximize the opportunities that all this cool new technology gives you. Getting people to learn a new platform can be difficult. So sometimes the best approach is to use tools that are already available and pretty common. The tools are there, but it's how you use them. It's a really interesting age of market research, and the possibilities of mobile ethnography are fascinating. We've designed projects where we go into the mountains with consumers. We've gone to shows, we've watched their experience at half times. We've attended live events, we've worked on projects that involve transportation and any one of a number of mystery shops. But every project has its own specific needs and its own specific design. So while the tools are really interesting, and while the possibilities are truly endless, it's how they're used. We conduct a lot of ethnography, and mobile ethnography platforms are quite good, but they differ in certain ways. Happy to talk to you about any platform requirements you may have or any challenges your business may face.